welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya from Little Vintage Cottage if you're new here. I think I'm going to start calling it LVC TV for Little Vintage Cottage TV. So welcome back to LVC TV. And today I am sharing our new built-in entertainment center that we created in the basement. We've been working on this for about 3 weeks. I do work a full-time job during the week, so this is mostly on the weekends that we've been working on it, but we finally have it completed. I am down here in the basement, which is coming along nicely. If you missed the last video, be sure and watch that. I'll put a link to it below, but it shows the progress that we've made so far down here. And so now we have our entertainment center done. I am still waiting on the cabinet knobs that I ordered for it, and I'm giving the paint some time to cure before I put anything on the shelves, just to be safe. But it is done. We do have our TV on it now, and we actually watched some Netflix on it last night, so it feels really good to share what we've gone through so far to create this entertainment center. Hope you enjoy. This area where we're building our entertainment center was a large old closet down in the basement, and so we have the base cabinets, which are just basic kitchen upper cabinets is what we chose to use. We have the base cabinets installed, and now we are putting a cleat on the wall in order to have something to secure the countertop that we'll put on too. Here I am just adding a strip of wood in between the two base cabinets to fill the gap so that it looks like one continuous piece rather than two separate cabinets. Here we're using the brad nailer to nail down the countertop that we've added. We have a small refrigerator that we are going to have in the cupboard down here, so we are cutting out the back of the cupboard so that the fridge has enough room. On to the bookcases. Here I am pre-drilling the shelf supports that will go inside the bookcases that we're making. The bookcases are done. We're getting ready to put the backs on. are some old wood blinds that were down here in the basement, and we've decided to use them to create a fun kind of slat wall along the top. Bookcases, the actual bookcases have backs on them, but the rest is just the wall. And so I wanted to kind of try and disguise that and make it look more custom built.